145 rupees, 150 rupees I have starting in cord set variety. You can see this variety. This was pure 60/60 Jaipuri cotton 3-piece article. Pure 60/60 Jaipuri print dupatta, my friends. All varieties, look. This is the dupatta of this variety. In 3-piece I have starting from 299 rupees. Premium heavy corset variety in muslin fabric with foil print, digital print, my friends. In only 280 rupees you will get those articles, my friends. Hello friends, myself Pratik from Surat, Ladli Creation, and today as per the season, most customers call me, they tell me, brother, we want to start a new business and a new startup. So as per for those customers, we provide you in this video all variety from starting range and some samples, my friend, that you get the proper knowledge of the article, what you have to buy and what can you buy from in that range, and how much you can sell those varieties at your shop, my friends. Now look, first of all thing, in cord sets I have starting from at least 145 rupees, 150 rupees I have starting in cord set variety. You can see this variety. Today in this video I will only show you the some samples of variety M2XXL combo 150 rupees in cord set variety I have starting. In this one, if you like, you take screenshot and send WhatsApp and do video call. We will show you more varieties, more design in the same rates, my friends. Now look, in cord set I have 150, and in kurti pant like long pattern with straight cut kurti, perfect Jaipuri prints you will get in this variety. In only 145 rupees you will get this product, my friends. From starting I have from 145, 199, 225, 250 till I have in this range, my friends. In every product I have many varieties, at least 50 to 100 designs available in every articles right now, my friends. And in tops variety in cotton, from 85 rupees I have starting range from tops, my friends. M2XXL combo. This was the variety you can maintain at your shop if you want to start a new business, because this is a regular selling article. 365 days you can sell those varieties, my friends. So please comment in the section that where are you from watching, my friends, and what you want to start your business in which variety and how much you want you have a budget, my friends. Now look, this is the rayon tops. If you go a little bit premium, then 110 rupees in tops. Premium, then 85 rupees you will get in 110 rupees the tops article. Now you can see in this video previously I tell you that regarding 250 range of pure Jaipuri cotton 60/60, this was the variety with work as per the festival collection, as per the upcoming party wear season. You can purchase this variety, little bit sober work, my friends. Look, in tops we also have these types of pattern, not in only kurti pant or in only kurti. In only tops we also have this variety in 120 rupees work tops, my friends. Now look, next article with proper cord set variety, heavy cord set concept, my friends. Those who want party wear cord set, then range was starting from 450 rupees. I have starting in cord set heavy range, my friends. Look, this is the in mostly articles we have color option. In some article we have sizes option, my friends. And main thing is that, my friends, those who want to start a new business, just understood, if you purchase approx 10 designs, 10 variety, you will sell 8 articles. But if some article will remains, if you can't sell any article, you can exchange from Ladli Creation. You can buy new stuff, new product from us, my friends. So this is the most best opportunity for you, or the best benefit from Ladli Creation, my friends. Look, this variety in only 199 pure cotton cord set variety, pure cotton Jaipuri color fabric, guaranteed in dark, light, every types of shades color are guaranteed, and variety was proper heavy thick cotton 60/60. Now look, this was pure 60/60 Jaipuri cotton 3-piece article. If you go heavier premium, if you have boutique, then you can purchase this article, because in this one you get proper boutique varieties. Look, here is the pant with knot, you can see with knot, with side adjustable, pure 60/60 cotton pant plain, you can see. And here is the pure 60/60 Jaipuri print dupatta, my friends. All varieties. Look, this is the dupatta of this variety. In 3-piece I have starting from 299 rupees, my friends, till 299, 699 I can maintain the range from 299. Look, this is the sizes, proper sizes. In every product I have branded Pharma, my friends. Now look, next variety in single anarkali. If you want this single anarkali, then in only 299 rupees you will get those article, my friends. Look, single anarkali with proper size. In every product we take a guarantee of our product of color and fabrics. And if you want 3-piece, my friends, in heavier one, then you will get this article in only 245 rupees, my friends. Sorry, 225 rupees you will get these types of 3-piece heavy anarkali articles from Ladli Creation. We manufacturing those all variety at your own factory, my friends. So if you want to visit, then you can visit here also. And many customer demand for long corset article. So this will you will get in only 250 rupees, my friends. Long corset article with plazo M2XXL printed firma, my friends. And now you can see some premium heavy corset variety in muslin fabric with foil print, digital print, my friends. In only 280 rupees you will get those article, my friends. And after that we go through the proper premium one, my friends. 3-piece sharara with georgette fabric with double astar with proper work. You can see very beautiful and sober work you can see on those article with heavy dupatta and with proper sharara, my friends. Look, all over sharara you will get lining, my friends, and you can see the flare of sharara. In only 599 rupees you will get this article in 3-piece concept, my friends. If you want in 2-piece, then also available from 450 rupees. So this variety we manufacturing, my friends. If you watch this video till, then take screenshot and send me then WhatsApp. Otherwise you can comment in comment section and where are you from watching, my friends. So that's all for today. We will meet in next video with next variety. Thank you.